If you are looking for a simple AI tool to generate content quickly, you might have come across Digen AI. But is it actually worth using? In this video, I'll break down what Digen AI is, its key features, pros and cons, and whether you should use it. What is Digen AI? Digen AI is an AI powered content generation tool designed to help users create things like text, ideas, and possibly marketing or social media content faster. It's mainly aimed at creators, marketers, and freelancers who want to save time and automate repetitive writing tasks. Key features: AI content generation. Digen AI can generate articles, captions, or short form content based on simple prompts. This helps speed up writing, especially for beginners. Ease of use. The platform is designed to be simple. You enter a prompt, choose a format, and the AI generates the result in seconds. Multiple use cases. You can use it for blog ideas, social media posts, marketing copy, and basic scripts. Time saving automation. Instead of writing from scratch, you get a draft instantly, which you can then edit and refine. Pros: beginner friendly, no technical skills needed. Fast content creation saves a lot of time. Versatile, works for different types of content. Good for ideation, helps when you are stuck. Cons: output quality varies. You still need to edit. Limited uniqueness. Content may feel generic. Not ideal for advanced users. Lacks deep customization. Many require subscription. Full features are usually paid. Who should use Digen AI? Digen AI is best for beginners in content creation, freelancers who need quick drafts, social media managers, anyone looking to save time on writing. It is not the best choice if you need highly detailed expert level content without heavy editing. Pricing. Pricing may vary, but like most AI tools, there is usually a free plan or trial. Paid plans unlock more features and higher usage limits. Make sure to check the latest pricing before subscribing. Final verdict. So is Digen AI worth it? If you want a simple, fast, and beginner friendly AI tool to generate content, ideas, and drafts, then yes, it is a solid option. But if you are looking for highly polished, advanced level content straight out of the box, you might find it a bit limited. And that is it for today's review. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and tell me down below in the comments if you have used it before. Thanks for watching and goodbye.